Hello, this is Anselm Igwe Educational Consultancy. You are welcome to my channel, and here is a question to consider. Explain the laboratory preparation of anhydrous sodium trioxocarbonate 4, Na2CO3. Before I delve into the laboratory synthesis of the salt, I would like us to analyze this salt critically. The salt Na2CO3, if you split it into ions, you see that the metallic ion that came from the base that formed this salt actually came from NaOH, sodium hydroxide. And the acid radical carbonate ion actually came from H2CO3, which is carbonic acid. Which means it is logical to say that when you combine this base and this acid, you will get the salt back. But the difficult thing is that this particular acid, carbonic acid, is difficult to isolate because it is highly unstable under low pressure. It is actually the acid present in carbonated drinks like Coca-Cola, soft drinks. And when you open a bottle of soft drink, you hear a fizzy sound or effervescence. This effervescence is as a result of splitting of this acid, H2CO3, to form water and carbon dioxide. It is this carbon dioxide that comes out from the bottle of Coke that is responsible for the noise, fizzy noise. So, because it is difficult to isolate this gas, it is now more convenient to use carbon dioxide with this particular base, sodium hydroxide, in order to synthesize this gas in a laboratory setting. Therefore, we can now say that sodium trioxocarbonate 4 can be prepared by the following steps. Number 1, pass excess carbon dioxide into sodium hydroxide base. Once you pass this gas into this base, you are going to get a white precipitate of sodium hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4. According to this equation, sodium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide will give us sodium hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4, white precipitate. You can see the equation is balanced. After this, look at what I mean. This is sodium hydroxide. Just pass a gas, CO2, across, and you will get a white precipitate of sodium hydrogen carbonate. After this, number 2 is to filter. Filtration of sodium hydrogen carbonate off. When you filter this off, just perform your filtration. When you filter this off, you are going to get your solid sodium hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4. After filtering, finally, you heat the... Remember, when you are filtering, what you are actually getting is a filtrate that will pass across the filter paper. The filtrate is water, and the residue is sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is solid. So after this filtration process, you heat the sodium hydrogen carbonate formed. When you heat it, it is going to rearrange molecularly to give you the anhydrous sodium trioxocarbonate 4. And the following equation represents the process. Let me write it here. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. When you heat it, you will get anhydrous sodium trioxocarbonate 4 plus water and plus carbon dioxide. So these are the simple laboratory procedures you can follow to produce anhydrous sodium trioxocarbonate 4. I hope you got value. If you did, just comment, like, and share this video so that the students that need it for their exams will get to see it. Don't forget to click on the plus sign to follow me for more interesting chemistry videos in future. and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye.